What's going on, Pro Cutters? John back with another one. And let me ask you something about your fence. Has it got the gangster lean like this one? We're going to show you how to fix that today. So you're asking, how do you fix the gangster lean, John? Well, you got to dig out the back side of these posts, and then we're using a strap anchored to the other side of the yard, and you pull these things up just this side of vertical, and then we'll add concrete to the other side and it'll straighten them up. So we got a little bit more digging to do, and then we'll be ready to go on to the other side. Oh yeah, and David's here. So maybe he'll post something this year, possibly. But I don't know. All right, so now we've got the posts dug out on the inside, and you can see on the outside they've opened up a little bit because we've pushed them up level. So now we're going to take Sackcrete and backfill the backs of the posts in, and that should keep everything good. And when we're filling them in, we want to have it just past level going the other direction. That way when we let all our pressure off, hopefully she just goes back to vertical and she's good to go. What do you think, Dave?
We're fixing that gangsta lean.
Check out his freaking super millennial outfit today. Got the beanie. You should have seen the pompous ass shoes he had on earlier when I first got here. But hey, you got to pick on these kids. That's bullying.
I work harder.
That's cyberbullying. You need to stop. Hashtag offended.
I work hard.
And then use your damn little poker of some sort and pack it on into the hole.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Pack it in, Daddy. That's probably good in that one. Go ahead and hit that next one over there. Get the sack, get the sack.
Push that back so it don't fall over.
And then you backfill the holes, and now your fence no longer has the gangster lean. You've been watching the ProCut with John and David. So get rid of that gangster lean and bring your fence into the suburbs. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed.